from pole position. Bagnaia gets squeezed by both Martin and Marquez. He had to back out of it there, didn't he? And coming through, fast starting, is Miguel Oliveira. Oliveira briefly done his home Grand Prix.
And then we've got an Aprilia around the outside of Maverick Vinales. He's off to a great start. He's trying to go wheel to wheel with Bagnaia and Oliveira. Up to fourth now.
I thought it was a touch. I think there was contact. Marquez was super aggressive on the inside of Oliveira Martin into turn number 3. Marquez! He has absolutely slammed into Miguel Oliveira. There is Marquez in 4th, coming through turn 2 now in the braking. Oh, he just gets it all wrong. All wrong. He did let Jorge Martin as we first thought, and then as he clipped Martin, look at that. It just pitched him further forward. Absolutely slams into the luckless Miguel Oliveira. Nothing that Oliveira could do about that. Going to ride on.